So I had two issues going on. One was sinus pain all the time, and then I would have bronchitis every 3 months. On the day, every 3 months. For 32 years, I dealt with the pain. It was pain and then bronchitis, and I would get bronchitis 4 times a year. And again, I could peg when it was going to happen. I was going to my primary care physician for the last 5 years or so, and we tried everything. Antibiotics, we've tried Claritin, over-the-counter stuff all the time, and it just wasn't getting any better. And so my primary care physician said, hey, why don't you go and see Dr. Ragsdale?
Many patients would benefit from the balloon sinuplasty procedure. The ones that we're usually recommending a procedure are the ones that are having several infections per year, or someone that has chronic sinus problems where they always have pain and pressure.
So Dr. Ragsdale recommended the balloon sinuplasty and asked me to do some research and asked me what I would feel comfortable with it, and I did, and I did.
When we use the balloon procedure, it's all done on a monitor with a scope. It's the only thing in the nose. It shows the anatomy on a large screen. We then use a guide to guide the lighted guide wire into the sinuses. Once the light is in the sinus, it glows, so we know that we're in the right place. We then can advance the balloon. Once the balloon's in the proper position, we inflate the balloon for a few seconds. At that point, the sinus opening has been dilated. It creates a long-lasting opening. The bones of the sinuses are actually expanded, so we're not just dilating swollen tissue. Once we've finished with the dilation, we'll go ahead and irrigate the sinus with saline, and then we remove the balloon and go to the next sinus.
I have not had bronchitis once. I don't have the sinus headaches at all. I don't dread getting on the plane. I don't have to suck down Sudafed 6 times a day. So things are really, really cool. I play golf. I love golf. I love being in the outside. I no longer dread which golf course I can go to. I don't have to plan ahead and be sure there's not pollen for the day, etc. It is really awesome.